Hi. Welcome back. Oh, freak yeah. Welcome back. What am I doing today? Well, by the title of this video, you can tell that this is a how-to video. So basically, this video is something that I wish I would have had when I would have started doing this. A tip for Instacart is you want to wear a nice outfit or like something that people will be like, ooh, he fancy. You could not too. It's really up to you, I guess. Do whatever is good for you. Let's go park and then I'll accept our first order for the day. I usually like to park in like a grocery store parking lot just so when I do get an order, I'm close to the store, sometimes even at the store. So I'm going to open up the app and we'll see what's going on. So when you get on, make sure you do your questionnaire, because if you see an order that you want and that looks relatively good, you're not going to be able to accept that until you do your questionnaire, like just to make sure you're all healthy and everything. So do that first. Make sure you have your Instacart card, because if you don't have that, you're kind of screwed. So you got an order finally. I did. Once you get your order, you just click slide to accept. It's pretty simple. Now we do the fun part of driving to the store. It's great for people who are below the poverty line, where I should be, and myself. I'm at the store. Don't forget your masks, important. Go to your app and then click confirm arrival and then start shopping.
The next part is probably the simplest part of it all. You just have to find each item and scan the barcode. So for this like little juice bottle, for example, when you find the item, you just click it, click found item, find the barcode on the back, and then boom, you're done. And if it's not right, it should show you what you got versus what you needed to get. Then when you're done, go to checkout. Don't forget to always get your receipt, because you're going to need to take a picture of that. Then you should be all good.
Before you accept any orders, activate your card. Make sure your phone is charged, because if your phone dies during the order, then the customer's going to see that you just like disappeared on them. They're not going to get their food and you're not going to get their money. So I'm going to go drop off their food now. Other than that, thanks for watching. You're a baddie and you got a fatty.
Into the thick of it! Into the thick of it!